Good morning, students. I hope everyone is doing well. So, today I'll be teaching what are the determinants of capital structure. Okay, now in the yesterday's class, I taught you what is capital structure. Once again, I'm repeating capital structure is basically the distribution of debt and equity that makes up the company finances. Or in other language, I can say that it's a proportion of debt equity which makes up the company's total capital. Alright, now let us talk about the determinants of capital structure. Now, what do you mean by determinants? Determinants are what is determinant in a simple language? If I ask you what is a determinant in simple language, determinant is a factor which affects the outcome of something. All right, it is basically the factor which affects the outcome. Right, so what are the factors which makes up the capital structure? Right, so we'll be discussing some points here, and this type of question was also there in the exams, that what are the factors which actually determine the capital structure. Right, now the very first factor is trading on equity. Everyone knows that the company can raise the funds by either issuing share or debentures, right? So, and you also know that debentures carry fixed rate of interest, right? And the preference shares are eligible for the fixed rate of dividend, right? So, but the dividend, the payment of dividend is highly dependent upon what the company earns, right? So it depends upon the profit which the company earns. Now, the company is said to be trading on equity when? When can you say that the company is trading on equity? It is a company uh, is thus trading on equity when, if the rate of return on the total capital employed is more than the rate of interest on debentures or rate of dividend on preference shares. That means the rate of return is higher than the rate of return of total capital employed should be higher than the the rate of interest the rate of interest of debentures or dividend which is to be distributed among the shareholders, right? So the pattern of capital very much depends upon how the company is trading on equity or not, right? So we can say that trading on equity is beneficial to those companies which have higher stability in the earning, right? So this is one of the major factor which affects the capital structure, right? Now moving on, let us understand the second important factor, that is retaining